And do it really, really lightly. You're just moving it around because you want to get it all wet. You got all the dry spots coming in right here, a little bit right there, and this is kind of dry right there. Just pull it from the middle. Just go really fast over the top, and just popping little air bubbles.
No, but that is my favorite.
That's a lot. No,
Oh, is it too much?
Another color that takes over is silver. See where all the paint's moving? The areas that it's actually moving faster than the other areas.
Right.
That's where you have more paint built
Okay.
up. And it was just really thin here, so that's why it wasn't moving with the hairdryer as much as that other side. Remember, you can put it down and so it's kind of going. Think about it that way. I would turn it down, get back up a bit.
This one?
Yeah, there you go. I think this is where the creative part comes in, when you want to fix something or make something a little different. You just got to come up with something. That's what's cool about abstract. You can do that and nobody's going to know. Or it's going to be like super cool. Happens, if anything. Yep, see there's some.
Oh yeah. I see him. Oh, I like it. Yeah, that is pretty.